Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can use Microsoft Authenticator app. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. First of all, open Play Store or App Store on your mobile device and search for Microsoft Authenticator. Open the app and install it on your device. After it is downloaded completely, open it up and log in using your Microsoft account. After logging in, you will need to switch to a PC or laptop and log in the same Microsoft account on it. After logging in, go to the Security tab and open this third tab. Now approve the action on your smartphone. After that, go to the two-factor authentication tab and select Manage. Now turn it on using the on-screen manual, and that's how you can use it. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.